If your iPhone's weather app is not updating or showing the right information, here's how to fix it in a few easy steps. First, check your location services, and for that, go to your settings app and scroll down. Then tap on privacy and security, then go into location services. After that, tap on weather and set it to always or while using the app. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening Safari to confirm the connection is working. After that, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix things. For that, hold the side button and volume up, then slide to power off, and wait for a few seconds and turn it back on, then check the app again. Also, make sure you're running the latest version of iOS. And that's all. If your weather app's finally working now, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.